Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a social media content calendar in Google Sheets with Claude AI. To begin, open Claude in your browser and start a new chat. This is where you'll give the AI the instructions it needs to help you build your content calendar. If you're using this for social media planning, it helps to already have a general idea of the type of content you want to organize, such as post topics, posting dates, platforms, or campaign themes. Starting in a clean chat also helps keep the task focused and makes the output easier to work with. Next, enter your prompt in the chat box. This part is very important because the quality of the result depends heavily on how clearly you describe what you need. Make sure your prompt is precise, specific, clear, and simplified. In other words, tell Claude exactly what kind of social media content calendar you want created and how you want it structured. For example, you may want columns for date, platform, content type, caption idea, status, and notes. The more direct and organized your request is, the more useful the final sheet will be. Try to avoid vague wording and focus on simple instructions that clearly communicate your goal. Before opening anything in Google Drive, take a moment to make sure Claude is connected to it. This step matters because if the connection is not already set up, you may run into delays or access issues when trying to move your work into a spreadsheet. Check that the integration or connection to Google Drive is active and ready to use. If needed, confirm the proper permissions so Claude can access and create files where necessary. Doing this in advance makes the next part much smoother. Once that connection is ready, open Google Drive through Claude and then proceed to Google Sheets. This is where your content calendar will take shape in a format that is easy to edit, review, and share. Google Sheets is especially useful for social media planning because it gives you a simple grid layout where you can quickly scan dates, fill in ideas, and track progress over time. After opening Sheets, you'll be in the right place to organize the calendar generated from your prompt and start refining it for your workflow. With those steps completed, you've set up the foundation for creating a practical social media content calendar using Claude AI and Google Sheets. From here, you can continue organizing and adjusting the sheet so it fits your posting schedule and content strategy more effectively.